Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today we will learn and write 5 lines speech on 12 Rabiul Awwal. Number 1 line. Good morning everyone. Number 2. Today I will speak about 12 Rabiul Awwal. Number 3. It is a special day for Muslims. Number 4. We remember the life and teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Number 5. We should follow his teachings and be kind to everyone. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.